Unraveling the mystery of referral. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve deep into an interesting English phrase, referral. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how and when to use it. So, let's get started. A referral is, essentially, a recommendation. It's when someone tells another person about a particular service, doctor, job, or any other thing, suggesting that they might benefit from it. In simpler terms, when you refer someone or something to another person, you give a referral. Understanding a term is always easier with examples. Let's go over some. 1. My doctor gave me a referral to see a specialist about my back pain. 2. If you sign up with my referral link, both of us will get a discount. 3. She got the job because of a referral from her previous employer. In all these examples, the term indicates a recommendation or directing someone towards a particular service or individual. It's always handy to know synonyms or words that have similar meanings. For referral, some common synonyms include recommendation, introduction, direction, endorsement. Remember, while these words might be used in similar contexts, they may not always be perfect replacements. It's essential to understand the nuance of each situation. When learning any new term, it's crucial to be aware of common mistakes to avoid them. Here are a few related to referral. 1. Not a casual suggestion. A referral is typically a formal or strong recommendation, not just a casual suggestion. 2. Not always medical. While the term is commonly used in medical contexts, like being referred to a specialist, it's not limited to that field. It can be used in many different areas, from jobs to services. And there you have it. We've unraveled the mystery behind the term referral. It's more than just a word. It's a bridge connecting people, services, and opportunities. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and every term you master makes you more proficient. Happy learning!